Next, we're going to look at the file system browser, which is a very useful tool for exploring various file systems within OSForensics. The file system browser provides an explorer-like view of all devices that have been added to the case. Unlike Windows Explorer, the file system browser is able to display additional forensic-specific information as well as allow analysis to be performed using OSForensics integrated tools. The left pane provides a hierarchical view of all devices added to the case. Clicking on a node shall load its contents into the right main viewing pane. Users can navigate a variety of file systems in the file system browser, including most file systems for Windows, Linux, and Mac. One thing you may want to do after installing OSForensics is open the file system browser, go to Tools, then Options. As you can see here in this slide, there are several options that you may want to enable, such as to show deleted files or show the extended NTFS timestamps from the $filename attribute. Deleted items will be marked with a red X and listed in blue colored font as shown here in this slide. You can also add highlighted directories or even the entire file system to a logical image via right-click options in the tree pane view. This is a quick and simple way to obtain a logical image of a particular user account, for example. You could also run a chosen directory against an active hash set, search the particular directory, or even tag a folder for future review. You can also add individual files to the logical image through the right-click menu in the center pane once a file or files have been checkmarked. There are an abundance of other options you can choose from as shown here in this slide. To add individual files to the case or export them from the file system browser, you must first checkmark the file before launching the right-click options menu. Otherwise, you won't see those options as shown here in this example. Another very useful feature in the right-click menu is the Jump to Disk Offset and the Jump to File Record options. Choosing either option will take you directly to the raw disk viewer and will take you to the location of the file on the disk if Jump to Disk Offset is chosen, or it will take you directly to the MFT entry for that file if in the raw disk viewer. Users can right-click on the column headers to customize the column layout and enable additional metadata to be displayed.